Well, I guess that means it's time to go to jail, or I mean school.
And where are you going, Caillou?
To school, since it is a student Monday. I really hate this school. If only it was closed down today.
I am going to lock myself in this locker so I don't have to go to class, haha.
Hello all and welcome to class. Today we will be learning about math and English. Are you guys ready for that?
No, math and English are stupid just like school.
No, you are incorrect. English and math are good school subjects. Blah, 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 blah.
I really hate school. If only there was a way I could cancel it for a long time. And I think I know a way. I used to have an old machine that a scientist created that I could stun weather with, so after school I could.
Caillou, are you paying attention or not?
Yes, I am. I was just trying to do the math problem mentally.
Okay, cool. Anyways, back to what I was saying.
Anyways, I could use that old weather machine to spawn a snowstorm, and the school would be frozen shut. Just one more day of suffering, and the school will be shut down. Now, I just have to find that weather machine. I think it is in the old shed behind the house. I forgot how messy this shed is, all kinds of stuff back here. Now I must find that old weather machine. It is in here somewhere. There it is, my old weather machine. It looks exactly like a phone, but it can generate weather. Let's take this to my room and see if it still works. Now, let's see if this old thing will turn on.
Hello and welcome to the Weather Generator 2.0. What kind of weather do you want to generate?
Wow, it still works. The automated voice is a bit broken, but it works.
Would you like to spawn a tornado? That seems to be your most selected.
Time to input a super cold blizzard.
You have selected super cold along blizzard. Do you want to spawn the storm? Yes has been selected. Device will now shut off. Storm will spawn overnight.
Awesome. So now overnight a super bad blizzard will spawn. Cannot wait for school to be cancelled. The blizzard is about to start. Cannot wait for school to not happen.
Caillou, it is time to wake up. School did not cancel because of the snow.
But it was supposed to. The blizzard was supposed to be the worst one ever.
If you didn't hear, your school dropped the snow day policy, so no matter the weather your school does not cancel. Now get up and drive to school.
You have to be kidding me. Not even the worst blizzard can cancel my dumb school. I I should have known that was going to be a bad idea.